Okay, this is my first scrapping video. This is my little scrap area. And the only reason I'm doing this video, well, I want to show you this though while I'm here. This is the vise that my husband's friend made him, the vise stand. I think it's pretty cool. I received for free all of these boxes of computer components. And I've never done board sort, and I'm not quite sure what to do with it all. And in going through these boxes, I wanted to show you what is in most of them. Motherboards in their original boxes with nice wrapping. Oh, sorry, this is so horrible. I've never edited anything either, so. Okay, so like this. And they're all old ones. Well, old, like 80s. I gotta show you this one. It's kind of like war games. Or at least that's what it reminded me of. Look at that old computer. So I don't know, and I don't want to do like gold recovery. But when I send this stuff, or if I send this stuff to board sort, is it best to just send the board like this, or to take off and send individually all the little chips or CPUs, whatever you call them? See, I'm not very knowledgeable about it, and I've been looking at the board sort forum, and I've just become more confused as to whether I should pull things off or not. So I was hoping that the scrap community could help me. So if I'm able to get this on YouTube to share with our scrapping community, I've got like boxes and boxes of these, and I need to know not just the easiest way, but also the most financially prudent way to use these. I've got some other stuff I know I want to put on eBay. Like I found this external drive sold like for $45 on eBay, so I'm going to put that on eBay. And I didn't know if maybe I should put the boards also on eBay. There's also a lot of books, old like IBM books. So I've got a lot. And if this goes well, I have the ability to contact this person again and get a trailer load of computer components, monitors, and lots of motherboards. Some little odd monitors, power cables. This guy wrote everything that is in it. PC Junior with keyboard and joystick. He was very, very detailed. This is what's in the box, where I pulled out that motherboard. Also stuff like this, and all of the booklets. I don't know if stuff like that is of value to anybody. So, any information that you can provide to help me go through this giant pile would be very much appreciated. So, loving the scrapping life, loving the scrapping community out there. My favorite, well, I've got three, but Uberism, Hank 81, he's my favorite. Love Moose Scrapper and Mike the Scrapper too. And I love the brain on Zombie Scrapper. But I'm enjoying all of you guys out there. So thank you so much for all your help. And I'm asking for a little bit more help. Thank you.